everyone! Today I'm gonna walk you through how to make those viral AI crash videos you've probably seen blowing up on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. And the best part? We're doing this 100% free using AI tools. No complicated editing, no camera, just creativity and some cool websites. I'm gonna take you step by step from idea to final video. We'll use ChatGPT to plan it out, Leonard AI to create images, Digen AI to animate them, and CapCut to edit it all together. Let's get into it. So first up, we need a solid idea for our video. For that, we're using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT in Chrome. If you're not logged in, go ahead and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, copy and paste this into the chat box. Write a short storyboard script for a cinematic 20-second video. A black Rolls Royce is parked on a dusty dirt road. A yellow excavator rolls in and crushes it. Describe each shot. Include camera angles, ambient sound like engine hum and crunch, and a dramatic text overlay. Hit enter and let ChatGPT give you a full shot-by-shot breakdown. Now ask ChatGPT to help you generate images for each scene. Type this. Write detailed image prompts for each shot described above. It will give you specific descriptions for each scene, things like lighting, style, camera angle. These prompts are what we'll use next to generate the images. Save these prompts somewhere, because we'll need them for Leonard. I'll leave these prompts in the description below so you can copy them directly. Next, we're going to turn those text prompts into awesome AI images using Leonard. Go to Chrome and search for Leonard AI. Click on the first site. Log in using Google. You get 150 free credits every day. If you run out, you can use a temp mail to make a fresh account. Once you're in, click on the Image tab. You'll see a big prompt box. Paste your first image prompt here, the one from ChatGPT. Now change the settings. Model, Flux Dev. Aspect ratio, 9:16, good for shorts and reels. Style, cinematic. Click generate and wait a few seconds. You'll get 4 image options. Pick your favorite one and download it. Don't delete the prompt. Instead, click on describe with AI. This will help guide the next image prompt. Then go grab the next scene's prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in, and generate again. Repeat this for all your shots until you've got a full set of images. Now let's turn those static images into animated scenes. Go to Chrome and search for Degen AI. Click the official website. You'll recognize the Digen logo. Log in with your Google account. You'll get 300 free credits on your first login, and you also earn free credits daily. If you ever run out, temp mail works here too. Click on Create. Upload the image you downloaded from Leonard. Paste the same prompt you used to create the image. This helps Digen animate the right elements. Now change the model to 2.1. Click Generate Video. Wait a minute or two. Once it's ready, download the animated video clip. Do this for every image until you have a full set of motion clips. Now comes the fun part, editing your clips into one smooth short video. Open CapCut. You can use it on your phone or PC. Start a new project and import all your animated video clips. Drag them into the timeline and arrange them in the correct order. Each clip should be around 3 to 5 seconds to keep the pacing fast and engaging. Now, let's add sound. Think about each scene. Use wind or ambient sound in calm scenes. Add an engine hum when the excavator drives in, and a metal crash sound for the big collision scene. CapCut has a built-in SFX library. Just search for things like engine, crash, or wind. You can also download free sounds from Pixabay, Mixkit, or Zapsplat if needed. Then add dramatic text overlays. Keep the font clean and centered. Add slow zooms, crossfades, or blur transitions to make it feel more cinematic. When you're done, export in 1080p HD with a 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. Now your video is ready for shorts, reels, or TikTok. And that's it. Your own viral AI crash short made from scratch, without a camera or editing background. Just imagine what else you can do. You could crush a Tesla with a UFO, or drop a Ferrari into a volcano. The possibilities are endless when you combine AI with your creativity. Keep experimenting with ideas. Keep making cool stuff. And most of all, have fun with it. You've got this.